Hello and welcome to Recipes and More. Today I am back with another snack recipe for kids, which is the hash browns. It is the easiest recipe you will ever find. Try this recipe, and if you like my recipes, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So let us see how to make hash browns in the easiest way. For this recipe, what you need is mainly potatoes. I have peeled the potatoes. These are raw potatoes, and now I will be grating them. Now I will be adding some salt to taste and some chili flakes. You can also add pepper if you like. In the original recipe, eggs are added, but this is an eggless recipe I am showing today. Mix it well. Now I will also add some cornstarch just for binding, about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix it well. Now I have heated a cast iron tawa. I have poured a little bit of oil on it and take 1 scoop of the potato mixture and place it and press it down. Whatever size and shape you want, accordingly you can take the quantity. Press it nicely with a spoon so that the bottom will roast well. Now the flame should be turned low, and this should be covered and kept for 2 to 3 minutes till it is nice and golden brown. And then we will flip the hash browns. Now this is done on one side. I will drizzle some more oil on top. And then flip the pieces. You can see nice brown color. In order to get the nice color, this has to stick to the tawa. That's why I am pressing it gently. Now I will cook the other side as well, and the hash browns will be done. Now the hash browns are perfectly done. Let us plate it. See how easy it is to prepare hash browns this way. It is so yummy and delicious. Your kids will definitely love this recipe. So definitely try it. Thank you.